So my next workshop is called Are You Stuck in Your Head? And honestly, I don't have much to say about it because the word itself says it all. The words come from the head. The wisdom, the emotion, and the joy, the connectedness, the wish to hug, to touch, to take deep breaths throughout your day comes from the body. It's an automatic response of the animal. See the animal I'm wearing? Of the animal that feels alive, that feels connected. So being stuck in the head is different. It feels that we are disconnected from the mystery, from the magic around us, from people, even from ourselves. It feels more empty. It feels like a drain. Things are a drain, the days are a drain. And we just don't feel that buzziness in our belly. So the next workshop on June 1st is giving you heaps of tools and experiences to come back into your body and also to learn how to stay there and how to access the goodness of these yummy hormones that make you feel good, even on a stressful day, even in challenging situations. So nice. I love it when my body just wants to breathe. So please come and join us for the day workshop. We're gonna go really deep. We always do in the day workshops, and de-armor and get new tools that you can take home and apply at home as well. And as usual, the day workshop is followed by the Tantra Touch Temple, where you get even more time with yourself to just spend time for your body, in your body, and having the experience how alive and how nurturing that can feel. So check out our event on the Taste of Love website, and I hope to see you there, to either of the two.